Antesco was established in 1975. We started as an agricultural technology service company and have grown into a fully developed producer of IQF fruits and vegetables. With the interminable efforts, we are demonstrating our value in the global supply chain. At Antesco, quality is the credit, assistance, and development of the company. Starting with the first production plant in 1994, we built the fourth factory in 2023 with a total annual output of 75,000 tons. Dragon fruit, baby corn, edamame, pineapple, as well as lemongrass, lime, and mango are our current main focus. Antesco has its own 700 hectares of farm for growing baby corn, which are certified Global GAP. We export IQF baby corn internationally, exceeding 10,000 tons per year. IQF red dragon fruit is one of the most noticed products with a total annual output of 8,000 tons. Following the main season from June to November, the fruits are harvested at its peak of ripeness and processed quickly to ensure fully nutrients. IQF mango is our best-selling product with a total output of 35,000 tons in 2024, more than triple the number of 10,000 in 2023. Focusing on two varieties of mango, Cow and Pachu, Antesco offers a diversity of firms including mango dice, chunks, and mango sticks, with 500 hectares of farm and large production scale to promptly meet customer requirements. Besides, Antesco supplies IQF passion fruit, including in cube portion and block. The processing of passion fruit is executed by our newest plant located in highland with an altitude of 1,000 meters above sea level, which is a suitable environment for passion fruit to grow. At the same time, it helps to diversify the company's export product sources. To meet the standard, the company is certified with SEDEX, BRC Grade A, and Global GAP, as well as other certificates such as HALAL, KOSHER, FDA. Antesco is also known as a supplier of canned fruits and vegetables, with one factory specializing in the manufacturing of this product. Every Antesco success always starts from the farms. With the plants located near farms, we ensure our fruits and vegetables meet requirements on pesticide residues according to export standards. Following the core value to be companion of the farmer, creating income and enhancing life standard for a farmer, Antesco is becoming a close friend of Vietnamese farmers, receiving support from the government in the cultivation on farmers' land. Antesco designs farming teams in each area to support farmers to bring the best quantity and quality. In 2022, Antesco signed a cooperation agreement with the Department of Agriculture and Rural Development and the Vietnam Farmers Association, promising a future to maintain the position as a leading exporter of frozen fruits and vegetables in Vietnam. For nearly 50 years, Antesco has grown alongside dedicated farmers and staff. Their passion is what puts fresh, high-quality food on your table. As we approach this milestone, we're even more committed to raising the bar, ensuring the best for our customers and our Antesco family. From humble beginnings as an agricultural technology provider, Antesco has blossomed into a leading producer of IQF fruits and vegetables. Our unwavering commitment to quality, sustainability, and collaboration with farmers has fueled our growth, allowing us to deliver exceptional products to customers worldwide. As we approach our 50th anniversary, we remain dedicated to innovation and exceeding expectations. Look forward to even more exciting developments from Antesco as we continue to cultivate a brighter future together.